Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Things. Today we're going to talk about a really interesting topic of dressing an hourglass body shape. In the last video, I told you about the different 5 basic types of body shapes and how you can easily identify which body shape do you belong. And now if you have identified yourself having an hourglass figure, well, probably you are the lucky one because hourglass body shape is the most symmetrical body shape. And when we talk about the human eyes are naturally drawn to symmetry, and therefore, an hourglass body shape is the most desired body shape amongst men and women simply because it's more proportionate, it's more symmetrical, and therefore more appealing, and it appears really, really attractive to people. Although the hourglass body type is the most symmetrical one, ladies with an hourglass figure find it really, really difficult to style themselves in the best way possible. So today we're going to discuss various steps and various clothing options for an hourglass figure that can help you style in a better way. Now you have an hourglass figure if your shoulders and hips are around the same size with a very defined waistline. Thus the measurement of your shoulders and your lower hip is equal and your waist is less in the measurement compared to your shoulders and your hips and is very, very well defined. So let's begin. Number 1, accept and flaunt your curves. Women with an hourglass body type tend to hide their curves or try to get lost in the clothes. The first step towards getting good clothes for yourself is to kind of accept the fact that you have curves and then wear clothes that make them look decently attractive. It doesn't mean that you have to wear tight clothes all the time, it just simply means that you need to wear something that's much more symmetrical and highlights your natural curves. An unsymmetrical dress like that would never be a good option for you because it just makes your body look really, really disproportionate. You can wear something like a monochrome fitted maxi dress that is gonna make you look really, really attractive and also really tall and good. Another good option for you are skater dresses if you want a casual look that's not too tight fitting but still accentuate your curves. Number 2, do not wear loose clothes. This is especially a big no if you're under 5'4" because you'll end up looking really disproportionate and honestly like a potato in a sack, and you don't want that. Also, do not wear clothes with a lot of layers in them because you just tend to get lost in the clothes and you look really not appealing. If you go and wear something like this, you look unattractive simply because this doesn't accentuate your curves, this doesn't hug your curves in your body, and you look really, really disproportionate and small. A very good option for you is a layered maxi dress that adds a cloth piece below your bust. This is especially a good option if you're top heavy and want to tone it down a little bit. Another good option is tailored dress that's really gonna accentuate your body curves and it's not too tight fitting as well. You can also wear tailored shirts that define the waist area and also make you look really classy and clean with shorts or probably pencil skirts and get the rich posh look. Number 3, define your waistline. The best part of your body is your waist, so make sure you make it feel special. Just make sure you avoid wear anything that's not hugging you around the waist because you end up looking like a stick since your upper and lower body are the same size. The best part of your body must be a show stealer. Therefore, try to pick up clothes that are highlighting your waist and making it look really, really appealing. Do not wear clothes like this that do not hug you around the waist because in these kind of dresses you tend to look kind of straight and lose your feminine touch. And when you lose your feminine touch, you honestly don't look that much attractive. So you can wear clothes that are loose but still they must highlight your waist because that's your best part. A good option would be a peplum top or a peplum dress. You can pair it up with skinny jeans and they just make you look really proportionate and they're also not very tight around your bottom. So that's a good option. Number 4, balance top and bottom. To achieve a symmetry, make sure your clothes are not too much on the bust or the bottom. They both must be balanced in order to look good. You don't want others' eyes on the back or the front, or you don't want to look too revealed. And this is the reason that both your upper body and your lower body must be balanced since you are a curvy woman. The best way is to wear two-piece clothing like a crop top and an upper waist skirt that is not too much long so that the overall look is balanced and more proportionate looking. This way, you also appear tall as your body is not cut into two unequal pieces of clothing. This kind of a dress is not a good option for you because it's really unsymmetrical and unbalanced on top and bottom. The top crop is really small, whereas the skirt is really long and thus making it look really unproportionate. This is a perfect example for a balanced top and bottom dress. The skirt is however longer, but still it hugs down through the curve, so it looks really proportionate with the top, and it also highlights your waist, so this is a really good option actually. Number 5, think about your legs. Since you're a curvy woman, your upper two-third body till your booty seems to be quite a thing. So sometimes or a lot of times your legs tend to look fat or short. So make sure your clothes are considering them and making them look good as well as a balanced part of your body. Try to add life to your legs as well. Don't let them dwarf out like that. Make sure to build a more balanced look by including them. A dress like this is totally wrong because this is making your legs look really small. This dress, if it had a better skirt length, would have been a good option. You can opt for an upper-waisted jeans that flares out at the bottom, and you can simply pair it up with a white simple t-shirt or basic top. Another good option would be skinny jeans that are also upper-waisted so that they highlight your waist, and try to pair them up with really like a nude tank top to kind of get that casual everyday look and yet look stylish and really appealing. So just follow these 5 simple tips if you're an hourglass body type and look really appealing. Don't wear anything that's too baggy and just wear something that highlights your natural curves, hugs your waist and makes you look taller. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.